Para tayong hinahabol ng oras lagi. So guys, ang look namin today is sobrang epic yung outfit namin di dumating guys. 2 boxes siya, yung isang box dumating, yung isa nasa Belgium pa. So yung outfit namin talagang mix and match na lang namin guys. Buti na lang, may mga existing kami mga outfit na pwedeng i-mix and match, pero nasasayangan lang ako kasi Dominico sana yun. So I'm gonna have smoky eyes and nude lips for today. So ayan ang goal natin. Do you have something like this? Like we can put something on the hair? Like straight, something like your hair right now. And then let's put some chains or something. Like wavy?
안할 거야 뭐야? 엄청 루스한 웨이브. 장식은 어떻게 해야 될지는 모르겠는데 이거 뭐 할 거니까 루스한 웨이브?
네.
그럼 익스텐션 웨이브 먼저 들어가
So
볼게요.
she's gonna think about the design,
Mm-hmm.
and then these are like really loose waves.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll do this on your extension first.
Okay. Here's my extension. Thank you. So guys, ito yung look na ina-achieve natin. Pang Coachella vibes. Let's go. Pero hindi siya... Wala ko lipstick na ganito. So guys, we're almost done. So we're wearing Dominico. Dominico from... So ganyan siya guys. Ganda! Dito papakita mo. Guys, sige naman si Maini. Ang ganda. I'm Mira.
Para kang Diyosa ng mga pulis.
Ikaw si Mira. Ilalabas ba? Ilalabas? Mira ng ano.
This is it, guys. Day 2. Irene is driving for us. Welcome to the life of being independent artist here in America. We're shooting.
So guys, nandito na kami sa first location namin. So we're gonna do the dance break and yung solo ni Ate Almira and Mylene. So mamaya ko na i-reveal ko. Chuayo. But it's okay if we dance.
오, 상관없어. I like it. When
This is my final look, guys, for the first locations. Second day, day 2's first location. So I did my makeup. Thank you to Sundi Style for my hair. Jessica and Song, and yes. So let's go. You stream, I Bet You Never, guys. It's out now in all digital platforms. And the music video is out now on our YouTube channel.